cat. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video will be about my favorite farm animal, the chicken. I did research on chickens by using Google and YouTube. Let's go on YouTube now, guys. So you can just type in chickens to find that information. SH. Delete that one. There's a lot of stuff in here. Now let's look at Google. Chicken information. Chicken information.
According to Wikipedia, the chicken is a type of domesticated fowl, a subspecies of the red jungle fowl.
But that's a fowl. Everyone, look. This is what I found out. Name of animal, chicken. What does this animal look like? This animal has a crest and is a bird with lovely feathers on top of its skin. Where does this animal live? It lives on a farm in a barn. What does this animal eat? It can eat chicken food like birds eat, fresh grass and hay, and also drinks water. Why do farmers have these animals on the farm? Do these animals give us anything? Farmers keep it for human food such as meat and eggs. Fun fact about this animal. There are more chickens than humans. They have pain receptors to feel pain and distress. That's the information I found. Here is what I drew. Chicks! Bok, bok, bok. Have you heard that chicken attack song? I'll post the link down below. Thank you very, very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye. Bye. Beep, 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 beep.